Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to disable the video preview on your Android TV or Google TV. So let's go to settings, and settings, scroll down to device preferences, and in device preferences go to home screen. In home screen, disable enable video previews, turn it off. So if you go back to the home screen, you will not see that anymore in your box, in your TV, or in your TV box. That's how to disable ads or video previews on your Android TV, Google TV. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.